Hey guys, Fizzy at the Procrastinator Files. So here's the TLDW. I'm going to be turning my short TWA into a blue wash and go using hair paint wax. I'll insert some images and all of that. But yeah, that's basically what it's going to be. So if you're interested in the process, keep going. And thanks for tuning in. See ya. So I switched to my bathroom because obviously that's where I'm going to wash my hair. Like, sorry if you can hear my mum vacuuming downstairs. But yes, as I was saying, Fizzy at Procrastinator Files. This is my short, high to medium porosity TWA. I big chopped to January, very beginning for New Year's. And here we are. So here's the products we're going to be using. I'm going to be using for shampoo, the Eucerin Dermacapillaire shampoo. Is basically a conditioner as well, but I'm black here. Next up, we're going to be using Alake Naturals Avocado Repairing Cream. I haven't used this product in a hot minute. Like, it's more of a protein treatment, but I haven't done a protein treatment since I cut my hair. So we're going to be using this. After I've washed out my deep conditioner, we're going to be going with the Camille Rose Coconut Water leave-in detangling hair treatment. So it's a leave-in conditioner, followed by, actually I mixed that up with the Camille Rose Fresh Curl Revitalizing Hair Smoother with avocado and castor oil. This is my holy grail. Like, my high porosity hair didn't stand a chance against this. This moisturized the shit out of it every time. So yeah, we're going to mix that with the leave-in. And then, because you can probably hear my niece screaming, but following that, we've got the Camille Rose Curl-Aid Moisture Butter, and that's what I'm going to use to seal in my natural products. I'll be sealing all of that in with Blue Magic's castor oil. And then after that, that's when we put the hair paint wax in. So I dropped it on the floor, I haven't got it right now. But yeah, I'm going to start washing my hair and whatnot. And yeah, I'll check in when I'm starting to put the wax in. See ya. So I just washed out my hair and it's feeling like hella fluffy and nice. I picked it out and all of that just to make sure there's no flakes or anything in there. And make sure it's all clean and nice. My hair feels so super soft. Like, again, my niece with the whistle. But I understand why Eucerin says you can use their shampoo as a conditioner, but still I would just want the extra hydration and I want the protein as well. So yeah, I'm just going to put that in and we'll see how that goes. Alright, so I have successfully washed out the deep conditioner. This is what my hair is looking like. It feels alright, it feels strengthened, not like moisturized, but strengthened more so. But it's still soft and nice, so that's fine. I'm just going to use all of the products I mentioned before, so Camille Rose, these two mixed together, then this on top, followed by this, because I want the most moisture I can get before I seal it in wax. So I'm just going to speed through that. You don't really need to see how someone applies their leave-in and all of that. It's a TWA, just rub it in your hair. Alright guys, time has come. So I'm going to be using the Mofajang blue hair paint wax. And I'm just going to say from now, like, if you're all clean, natural, this is not your thing. Like, there's parabens, DMDM hydantoin, which is a formaldehyde releaser, alcohol, petrolatum. Like, this is just not your product. So I think they've made natural versions now, but I personally don't care anymore. So let's get started. Oh. Yeah, that is definitely a wax. Okay, I don't even know how much I need, so let me not go too overboard. Alright, so I've got this much. And it says just to rub it in through your hands, so like this. Take out the clumps, obviously. Hope this looks nice, you know. Because I don't want to wash my hair again. Like, I'm running out of leave-in conditioner and all the hair shops are closed. Alright. dry, so I've definitely got way more than I need. So trying to get in the sideburns. This is, oh, I've got a chunk in there, and get the front, and definitely, as I said, the sideburns. So I'm just gonna work it through my hair. Maybe I didn't use too much. This seemed like a good amount, to be honest. Try not to get it on my scalp. Do a bit of rubbing. Try and get my curls to pop somewhere, somehow. Like, I have such big issues with curl definition. Like, I don't even care about curl definition anymore. I legit just want my hair to be moisturized and healthy. Curl definition is really overrated, guys. No point in having super curly, pretty hair and it all falling out and being bold when you can have super kinky, pretty hair and it be full, or super frizzy, pretty hair, or like a wavy, you know, just hair. Doesn't have to look like the poster child of natural hair. You can just, you know, embrace your natural hair. That is the point of the natural hair movement. It's not the curly hair movement, it's natural. So if your hair is naturally frizzy, deal with that. If your hair craves moisture, deal with that before you try and deal with styling, you know. Okay, I'm just going to pick out the sideburns and individually coat them. See, the top part doesn't feel like it doesn't look to me like it's as coated as the front. And I don't even want to know what the back's be looking like. I'm going to keep this in for like 2 days, I'm not gonna lie. The pleasures of a TWA is you can wash your hair as often as you want, more or less. But yeah, the curls are definitely coming through, most definitely. You can see the frizz, you can see the curls. Like, I've got a mixture of 3C, 4A, and maybe 4B hair, but my hair's really dry, damaged and frizzy because I've got iron deficiency anemia. So yeah, it's kind of hard for my hair to be all sexy and moisturized when blood doesn't even want to supply moisture or nutrients to my hair. Yeah, I'm just gonna put some more hair, some more back too. Just rake that through. Definitely looks better on camera. Like, you can see the black, like you can see the black hair near my roots. Like, on camera it looks all blue, but in real life you can see the black hair underneath. But that's fine. It's just supposed to be like a little bit of fun. Because I doubt I'm ever gonna dye my hair. Like, my hair's so damaged in its natural state. There's no point in me processing it and damaging it a bit more. I'm gonna add just a tiny bit more, guys. Literally just that. This is mainly just to rake it through. Yeah, I think my hair's blue enough now. These really tiny bits here. Yeah, because I want it all to look nice and uniform. Like, because I can't see the back of my hair. Oh yeah, it's blue. I can kind of see it. Yeah, because it looks black from around here. Let me turn to the other side so you can actually like kind of see. Get this little bit here. Get my widow's peak. Yeah, guys, you can see my hair. It's definitely a great curl definer. Like, my hair's just really, as I said, frizzy because it hasn't had moist, like, nutrients supplied to it in a long, long, long time. But yeah, let me just pick certain parts out a little bit. Oh, this towel is useless. And then that's another reason why I used the Blue Magic Grease. I wanted to have a nice sealant to protect my scalp from this product because I said it does have some crazy ingredients in it. But as I also said, I'm not bothered. So, like, yeah, I understand what they might do to me, but, you know, like, I breathe in chemicals and I eat chemicals and everything's a chemical and I'm made of chemicals. Water is a chemical, oils are chemicals. So, you know, everything's dangerous and everything is safe. Well, not everything's safe, but everything's dangerous in the right lethal dosage. You can die of drinking too much water, drowning. Oh god. Oxygen kills you. Oxidation of your cells causes cancer, but you need oxygen to live. Like, see what I'm saying? So, like, I want my blue hair. I'm gonna get my blue hair. Right, guys, I am done. I'm going to wash this out. Wash my hands. You can see that at the back of my hair. You can see the curl pattern is just popping at the back. Yeah, it's the front that is hella. Like, you can see these little wispy curls up here, but then it's just the front just don't look too good. See, like this, it looks kind of. But then like this, like you can see the color shifting. But I think as it dries, it's supposed to get matte. But anyway, you've seen like 100 girls already do this. Like, I'm late to this trend. I just wanted to do it because, you know, quarantine. But yeah, guys, I am finito. I'm gonna wash my hands off so you can see how easy it is to get this off. Like, it comes out. It doesn't really transfer onto clothes or sheets once it's dried. But I'm gonna wear my headscarf anyway. And yeah, it washes out everything really quickly because it's water soluble. So let me just quickly wash my hands and you'll see. Alright guys, so you can see my hands, my nails, all of that. There's no blue anywhere. I'm gonna wipe around my face, but before I clean up, let me show you. So let me come more into the light. This is my hair. Yeah, I'm gonna try to show you the back, but it may not work. And you're seeing the back before me, so if it looks effed up, girl, tell me if my hair's looking messed up. So, yeah, hair's blue. I'm gonna go out in a little while with my blue hair, wipe my hair down obviously and all of that, and then yeah, my hair's blue. That's how you do it. That simple. I think I paid like £8 for that, maybe $12 in the USA. So if you're on quarantine, you're natural and you want to get some e-girl hairstyle colors, go for it. That's all I have to say. But anyway, thanks for tuning in and I'll see y'all later. Bye.